So here we have a pound dashboard example that is leveraging the Anaconda data catalogs to pull information from the United States Geological Survey wind turbine dataset. And here we can see that we quickly can start making insights on the data, having a dynamic map where you can actually toggle and move around and understand where those wind turbines are located in relationship with the different states. On the right side, we have a tabular form of all the data on that data set where we are representing state, county name, year, manufacturing capacity. And to have a more visual representation of this table, on the bottom, we have in a bar chart representing the count and then the different states. So you can see that in this case, Texas is the lead, and we can actually go and see the capacity. So we can understand like what is the capacity that the wind turbine is having. And you can see that Texas again is the lead, following by Oklahoma. You can actually go to a year toggle, so you can actually have a more insights on the industry trends, right? So you can see how that capacity kind of have been increasing, was a little bit constant, increases a little bit. And we can actually go to the total count where you can see that we did start having more installation of those, kind of went down for a couple years, went back up. It was reduced for a couple more years, kind of keep constant and then hit back up another increase. So quickly we can start making decisions or understanding the industry trends using this type of dashboard. Here you can see the manufacturer. You can see that GE Wind is actually big dominant. And then you can see that we have Mitsubishi, Siemens following. And you can do other type of like visual displays, right? So you can do bubble charts or any other type of visual display that you think is that will provide insights on the data. And this is one of the ways that using tech in the different fields, and especially in the energy field, can support to make informative decisions.